You can generate an animated banner in just a few steps using Visual Paradigm's AI tool. In your workspace, click Create with AI button. Search for the keyword banner to quickly find the AI animated banner generator. Then click Start Now. You can enter the text content for your banner manually or generate with AI by entering a prompt to describe your banner. Text content and icons will be generated automatically. Scroll down to fine-tune the content, including the title, subtitle, call to action text, and link. You can also change the icon here. Next, customize the animation. Choose the animation style you like and adjust the duration. You can also choose whether to loop the animation. After that, adjust the appearance. Different sizes are provided for various banner uses. Change the color theme, as well as the opacity and style of the background pattern. When everything is ready, you can export the banner in HTML format or download it as animated GIF.